Hi friends, this is Vasu. In today's video, we will discussing the loop statement in Python. Let's talk about loop statement in Python. What is loops? Loops mean repeating something over and over until a particular condition is satisfied is known as loops. Simply, the one piece of code, it will be repeat again and again continuously. For example, if you want to print the numbers from 1 to 10, we are simply repeating the same action. What we do in the Python, it asks you to print the numbers 1 to 10. Here, basically, there are two main types of loops, the for loop and the while loop. There is also a third type called a nested loop. The nested loop means a loop inside another loop. For example, if we write for loop, we can write another for loop inside it. That's a nested loop. However, the most important one are the for loop and while loop. Loops in Python. Python programming language provides two type of Python loop shaking item. In this article, we will look at Python loops and understand their working with the help of examples. For loop and while loop to handle looping requirements. Loops in Python provide three ways for executing the loops. While all the ways provide similar basic fundamentality, they differ in their syntax and condition checking time. In this article, we will look at Python loops and understanding their working with the help of example. Here, loops in Python. Loops is a method for iterating over a sequence of list, set, tuple and dictionary items types. For loop. For loop each time. For loop with range and index. For loop. Here, now for loop. The for loop in Python is used to iterate a sequence like a list, tuple or strings or another iterable objects. Now I am using example for I in range. The range value is 1 to 6. Now print I. Here my outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For loop is used to iterate over a sequence. In this case, the sequence is a range of numbers generated in range 1 to 6. Here for I in range, the range 1, 6 function generates numbers starting from 1 up to 6. So the numbers generate are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The I is a variable that takes the values of each numbers in this sequence one at the time during each iteration for the loop. Here print I. Inside the loop, the print I statement prints the current value of I. In the first iteration, I is equals to 1, so it's print 1. In the second iteration, I is equals to 2, so it's print 2. In the third iteration, I is equals to 3, it's print the 3. For the fourth iteration, I is equals to 4, so it prints the 4. And for fifth iteration, I is equals to 5, it's print the 5 until we get the 5. We can do some example questions on for loop. Fruits is equals to apple, banana, cherry. cherry. Here the list is created. Fruits is equals to apple, banana, cherry. A list named fruit is created containing three strings elements. That elements name is apple, banana and cherry. Here for fruit in fruits for fruits the for loop is used to iterate each item in the fruits list. During each iteration, one item from the list is assigned to the variable fruits, and the loop executed the indicated the code block. Now print fruit. Print fruit. Inside the loop, the print fruit statement prints the value of fruits. Now my outcome is apple, banana, cherry. Here the how the iteration takes. The first iteration apple is fruits is equals to apple, and the second iteration fruits is equals to banana, and the third iteration fruit is equals to cherry. The another example on for loop. The question is in a classroom, if you want to iterate through a student's marks and find the average, here marks is equals to 34, 76, 99, 87, 80. Next total is equals to 0. I am using the for loop for mark in marks. Here total is equals to total plus or is equals to mark. Now I am finding average. Average is equals to total by length of marks. Now printing the statement. Print average marks comma average. Now I am running the code. The average mark is 75.